Hey baddies, it's your girl Kaylia, and today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy 5 to 10 minute natural makeup routine. So this is my everyday natural makeup routine. I do this when I go out or when I want to quickly put something on my face to look presentable out in the world. And not just wear pajamas or sweatpants out. Anyways, for primer, I go in with the No Problem Primer by Touch in Sol. This is my holy grail. I use this all the time. This is like my 5th or 6th bottle, and as you can tell, she is running out. She is almost bone dry. For my eyebrows, I go in with the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe, and I honestly just brush my brow hairs up, and then I just follow and lightly fill in my eyebrows. Now you can honestly just put on eyebrow gel if your eyebrows are fuller than mine. Mine need a little help, not gonna lie to you. There's something that I like to call shaving my eyebrows and plucking my eyebrows that I just can't get enough of. I do not put on any foundation with this makeup. So I don't really want a heavy base when I just go into Walmart. I mean, sometimes I will. Like if I'm feeling a little extra or I'm feeling like I want to be the center of attention, I'll wear a full base, but usually I just go in with concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. With this, all I put it is just right here underneath my eyes. And then I just go in and cover any blemishes that I may have. Then I take a beauty blender and I just blend out everything. Now I did want to ask y'all, what did you guys think about that new app that's coming out that's replacing TikTok in the United States? Like, do you think they'll actually go through with it? Do you think TikTok will actually be TikTok, no more TikTok? Do you think the M2 will be successful? And do you think people will actually migrate to it? Or do you think they will go more towards YouTube, like long form, or Instagram Reels? My personal opinion, honestly, this is why I'm making this YouTube video, to be honest with y'all. I don't know how I feel about the M2. To me, M2 stands for Meta, and so I'm sure it's going to be controlled by Facebook and Instagram, or with Facebook and Instagrams if it's Meta. But I've honestly been filming like more longer form content and talking videos on TikTok, so I might as well just make long form content and just a little bit more for YouTube. Because honestly, YouTube is I feel like a more stable place. It's been around for how many years now? Like 15 years, I want to say. Probably a lot longer than that, to be honest with you. So I'm just trying to grow my presence more on YouTube versus TikTok because that's another thing. Hold on. I'm going to go in with powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I just take a little powder puff just like this. And I dip it into my finishing powder. And I take it on the back of my hand and get the excess off. And then I honestly set my entire face. It doesn't matter if I put concealer there or not. I just set my entire face because I do not like a glowy base at all. Next up is bronzer. Now, I say this a lot. Do not judge my makeup. My makeup is very loved, so it's a little dirty, okay? And plus that Juvia's Place blush, that's mainly what is on every single one of my makeup products because for some reason it leaks and it gets everywhere. I take my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. This is what she looks like. As you can tell, I am running out of this as well. I've had this for a long time. I take it on a brush like this. This is a Moda brush. And I just dip in there and then just bronze my forehead and then my cheeks. What I was saying about TikTok. Since when did TikTok become a search engine? Like, when did it make that change? Because it's honestly so freaking annoying. Like, I won't lie, I do go to TikTok to search things, but now it just makes it so hard to go, like, viral or have your videos perform well. I'm not gonna lie, I love transition videos. Like, transition videos are my favorite because they're simple, they're easy to do. Like, but now you gotta, like, strategically put keywords in your videos. You gotta put like how people would search, like your caption, how people would search it for it to come up and have the possibility to blow up. Like, that is so stupid to me. And that's like another reason why I'm like wanting to ditch TikTok and come to YouTube, because YouTube, I don't know, maybe it's more fun over here. Maybe I am missing out, but I will say YouTube short comments are ruthless. Y'all are ruthless. Golly, if it gets on the wrong side of YouTube Shorts, you're done for. You are done for. You're gonna get roasted by 12-year-olds. Okay, you just are. Next, I go in with blush. This is the Alamar Colorette Trio blush. And I got this in BoxyCharm like a few years ago. Don't know if they still make this anymore. But I take the Alamar Cosmetics Brightening Brush and I dip into the shade Isla. As you can tell, she is loved too. Oh my gosh. See, you can tell that I'm not lying about these products that I use because they're almost gone. That's how you know I'm a real one. So that is basically all of the face stuff that I use. You could probably go ahead and stop here, but I'm extra and I have a few more steps that I do. I go in with the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist by e.l.f. And I just spray this all over my face. After the setting spray, you can just stop there, but I'm not going to. I go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Eyeglass Powder in the shade Blunt of Diamonds. And honestly, just take this on my finger and I put it right here in my inner corner. And then right here underneath my eyebrow, on my eyebrow bone. Because honey, I'm still stuck in 2016. I sure am when it comes to my makeup. That won't change. And then I take the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. Now, like I said, I am very extra when it comes to my makeup. I'm going to take back my bronzer and I'm going to take a brush just like this. This is the JS14 brush and I'm going to do fake freckles. Like I said, I'm extra, okay? You do not have to do this, but this is what I do. See, they just give a little bit extra oomph to the makeup. I don't know. I think they're cute. You might think they're hideous, but I think they're just so cute. And then I go in with highlight because I could not use highlight. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's an everyday natural makeup look. You bet your butt I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Extreme Frost in, I don't know if I can say that. I honestly don't. I might be flagged. The last thing that I do are my lips. Now, I got this like little thing from Ari Kitsia. If you know, you know. I am just gonna lip stain my top lip. These are the two products that I use. I use the e.l.f. lip stain in Power Mauve. I go in with the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in the shade Pink Sugar. And this is the final look. I think she is very cutesy, very fast and easy. Now this would take you 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes if you just didn't yap like I do. The way I came up with this was because I used to work at a hospital and I had to come up with a makeup plan or a makeup routine that took me maybe 10 minutes in the morning because getting up at 4:45 in the morning and putting on a full beat just wasn't gonna cut it. So I came up with this. I ended up quitting the hospital job though. Like I just peaced out, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys like this kind of content. Let me know what kind of videos that you guys want to see from me down in the comments. And if you guys are feeling generous, you can always like and subscribe. Stay tuned for what else I've got up my sleeves. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!